Hi, this is Will from Clerk Chat. Today I'm going to set Clerk Chat up for my medical practice. My first task is to message a patient and tell them that they have an appointment tomorrow as a reminder. I'm going to start a new chat. I'm going to search for my patient, select them, and here I could write out my message. But I've actually already created a snippet for this appointment reminder. So I can click here and you can see it pops up. A snippet is basically a canned response where we can create one, give it a title, and give it some text. For messages that we send frequently, I like to create these. Here's our appointment reminder one, and all I need to do is just add the time here. Great, and I'm going to send that off to Jared. And great, Jared has replied back yes, so now I can confirm with Dr. Geller that they will have this appointment tomorrow. Great. My second task is to message a few different contacts that their information has been updated. I'm going to start a new chat. I've created a cohort already for my updated patients. I'm going to select that cohort. I'm going to make sure I'm sending a campaign, which means I'm sending an individual message to each of the contacts in that cohort. And I'm going to type out my message. Great. I'm also going to add a bit of personalization at the front. I'm going to say, hey, and I'm going to add the name template, which pulls the name from the contact card and makes it a more personal conversation. This enables me to get more one-to-one, more conversational with my patients. And I'm going to send that out. And just like that, you can see all of these 4 contacts have received the message. Instead of the name template, it now says, hi Kay, hi Gwyneth. So that's making it a bit more personal. And now I can have a direct conversation with them if they have any questions about this. So this is how you can set up your medical practice in Clerk Chat.